Former President Donald Trump appeared in a New York courtroom today to defend his company's business practices.
The civil lawsuit accuses him and his company of fraud by inflating the value of the Trump Organization properties. CBS 2's Joe Donlan joins us now with a closer look at the first day of the trial and reaction from the former president, Joe.
Well, day one, and probably not a big surprise, but it started with a bang. Donald Trump wasted no time making his feelings known, blasting both the New York Attorney General and the judge assigned to the case. The frontrunner for the 2024 Republican presidential nomination calls the lawsuit another attempt at election interference.
We're going to be here for months with a judge that already made up his mind. It's ridiculous.
Former President Donald Trump slammed the civil lawsuit against him, his family, and his company as the trial got underway in a Manhattan courtroom Monday.
Donald Trump and the other defendants have committed persistent and repeated fraud.
New York Attorney General Letitia James brought the case, accusing Trump, his sons, and the Trump Organization of inflating the value of properties by hundreds of millions of dollars while pursuing favorable bank loans.
No matter how powerful you are, no matter how much money you think you may have, no one is above the law.
But Trump and his lawyers argued the disclaimers made on the financial statements make clear the values listed are just estimates.
We have a clause in the contract. It's like a buyer beware clause. It says when you take a look at the financial statement, don't believe anything you read. This is up front.
This trial is one of many legal headaches for the GOP presidential frontrunner, who has been indicted 4 times since March. Trump maintains he's done nothing wrong and all the cases are politically motivated.
If I weren't leading in all the polls, or if I weren't running, I wouldn't have any of these cases. I wouldn't be seeing you this morning.
Prosecutors are seeking a ban on Trump doing business in New York and $250 million in penalties. Last week, the judge in this case ruled Trump and the Trump Organization did commit fraud in their business dealings. And if that ruling is upheld on appeal, it could force the business mogul to give up Trump Tower and other high-profile properties. The judge is now hearing from both sides regarding the 6 remaining claims. This non-jury trial is expected to last 3 months. And on that point, the judge said today nobody asked for a trial. So there's been a lot of discussion about that, whether Trump's attorneys wanted it to go this way or perhaps forgot to check that box. We don't know. Their legal team is not commenting on that. But either way, it is a bench trial, meaning it will be decided by the judge and the judge only, no jury.
All right. Joe, thank you.